What's up guys, Alex from Brooklyn checking in at Grand Prix Motors. Today we have a special delivery for one of our customers. It's the brand new 2021 Acura TLX with technology package. Let's take a quick look inside. A really cool feature is the shifter on the new Acura. Check this out. So right now we're in park. If you want to go into reverse, you apply the brakes and you pop it into reverse. If you want to go to drive, you just push this button and she's in drive. If you want to go to neutral, you push the neutral button. That's simple. Back to park, back to park. As simple as it gets. So this is the window sticker for this 2021 Acura TLX with the tech package. The tech package includes the Acura navigation system with voice recognition. It's got the blind spot information. It's got rear cross traffic monitor. It's got the Acura ELS Studio Premium audio system with 13 speakers. And it's got the front and rear parking sensors. It's got the adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation braking, forward collision warning, a lane departure warning, lane keeping assist system, and road departure mitigation and traffic jam assist. The sticker price for this car is $42,000. You can lease or you can buy it from us today. Visit us at 2737 Coney Island Avenue. Give us a call for a free quote, and don't forget to visit us online at grandprixmotors.com for the best deals in town. I'm Alex from Brooklyn with Grand Prix Motors, wishing you a happy, blessed day, everyone. Take care.